Today we're going to take a look at a meal prep video that's gotten 2.6 million views on the LifeByMikeG cooking channel. Now, as you can see, the LifeByMikeG cooking channel has over 5 million subscribers, but that's not the only reason why this video was so successful. What we're going to do is take a look at why this video is so successful, and later on we're going to take a look at how this cooking channel makes money so you can see how you can apply this to your cooking channel. So we're going to start by looking at the title and the thumbnail for this video because these are the two things that most determine the success of your video. So the title of this video is A Revolution in Meal Prepping, and we have a thumbnail where a pretty interesting thumbnail where Mike has stacked up some frozen blocks, some blocks of something we know is frozen because food doesn't just stay together like that. And he says he's sold. I'm sold is the text on the thumbnail. And so from somebody with a YouTube channel with 5 million subscribers, he's talking about a revolution in meal prepping and saying he's sold on this new thing, whatever this thing is. What he's doing is piquing curiosity. And that's one of the most effective strategies that you can have for your title and thumbnail combination is to pique curiosity. Put something in front of people that makes them have to have the answer. And the only way they can get the answer is by clicking to watch the video. So this is a strategy that you can use on your cooking channel. Yes, Mike has 5 million subscribers, but he got 5 million subscribers by packaging his videos the way I'm explaining this to you here. This is a concept. This is a technique that you can apply as well with your cooking channel, no matter what size it is, even if you haven't started yet. Now, the title and thumbnail got people to click, but the reason that so many people watch that video is because Mike G solves a problem in that video. And that's a very important distinction. The most successful cooking channels are successful because they're solving problems, not just presenting recipes. And that's something that I want you to understand and incorporate into your ideas for your cooking channel. You can't just present recipes. You have to actually solve problems. And that's how you get the attention of busy people. They got to give you their time to watch your video. And the way you get people, the way you earn their time is by solving a problem for them. And meal prep is a big problem. Feeding the family or feeding yourself on a regular basis, healthy meals, economical meals, that's an ongoing challenge for everyone. That's a big problem that a lot of people have. And in this particular video, Mike G is presenting a solution to that problem. And that's why so many people clicked and so many people watched. So that's a winning formula. Having an idea that you can package together in a title and a thumbnail and then have a video that people will actually watch. That is a winning formula. And when you come up with a winning formula like that, you want to repeat it. And I'm going to show you how Mike G repeats that formula on his cooking channel so you can see how you can incorporate this into your plans for your cooking channel. So we're looking at this revolution in meal prepping video. And now let's go to another video from Mike's channel. This one is this changes breakfast forever. This video got 723,000 views. But going back to what I said about when you find a winning formula, you repeat it. If I was just clicking through these real quick and you weren't paying attention, you might think this was the same video. It's not. This is the revolution in meal prepping video, 2.6 million views. But look at this thumbnail. And he looked at this thumbnail, this video, and the success of it, 2.6 million views. So what did he do? Let's make another one. Very similar. Is almost identical, and there's nothing wrong with that. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. And if it's working, keep working it. And that's what you see him doing here with this video. And then we go to this air frying video. Again, similar format, laying out all of the frozen goods. These are frozen items that he's frozen and for his meal prep. This video got 529,000 views. That is a ton of views. Here's another one. This is another meal prep video. And so the revolution that's in this first video, the revolution that he's talking about is here. He's using these super cubes as to freeze his meals. That's what generates these little blocks. That's why the food comes out in these blocks. You can think of the super cubes as if you're not familiar with them, they're like these silicone trays, like ice cube trays, except you don't put water in them to make ice. You put food in them and then you freeze it. And then what you get is this. You get these blocks that you can then just reheat. The food is already cooked. and now you just have to take out the blocks of what you want and reheat it. So that's the revolution that he's talking about here in this video. But again, as you can see, it performed really well. People responded well to it. And so he's just continuing to use this formula. And this is an example of what you should be doing with your cooking channel. When you identify a format that works, here, this $50 meal plan feeds you for the week, 1.1 million views. So again, we're still on this this concept of solving a problem, not just cooking for the sake of cooking and making nice recipes. Mike is actually solving a problem with each one of these videos. And so this theme that he's on for meal prep and meal planning, this is solving a problem for people. And you can see the numbers that he's putting up on his cooking channel. It's not just because he has 5 million views, it's because 5 million subscribers rather. It's because he's getting picked up in a lot of search traffic because people are searching for meal prep and meal planning solutions. So this $50 meal plan feeds you for the week. Anybody who's eaten out recently knows that you can very easily burn through $50 in one trip, definitely 2 trips to a fast casual restaurant. And what he's doing here is solving that problem for you, teaching you how to eat healthier at home for less money. This is the same thing that you can do. You can incorporate this into your cooking channel. Meal planning, meal prep, the different types of recipes that you do. You can take this idea, because Mike didn't invent meal prep. So don't feel like you're stealing something. He didn't invent meal prep. He's just putting his spin on it. And you're going to do the same thing. You're going to look at how he's packaged his meal prep videos, and you can do the same thing and bring your uniqueness to it. Like you may bring your culture to it. Maybe you specialize in Mexican cuisine or African cuisine or Caribbean cuisine, and you can do meal planning and teach people meal prep using the types of ingredients and the types of meals that you prepare in your culture. And that's how you can make yours different. You borrow a concept that's already working, a packaging, a formula that's already working, and then you incorporate what your uniqueness that you bring to the kitchen, you incorporate that into that formula. And now you have something new that you're going to be able to present to the world, and YouTube is going to pick it up and put it in front of the right people. This is how you build a cooking channel. Even if you have a small channel, you can compete with the biggest channels by simply following a formula, following a framework that works. So there's a saying that success leaves clues. Well, this is an example. Mike is showing you by the types of videos that he makes and keeps on making. Okay, he's doing this for a reason. There's your clue. What parts of that can you take and incorporate into your cooking channel? And that's what I'm showing you here. So now let's look at how Mike's making money on his cooking channel. Let's start with the description box. This is a very powerful tool. If your goal is to build a cooking channel that makes money, the description box is an incredibly powerful tool. So here, this looks like an affiliate link, 20% off. So he's generating revenue with affiliate income. And he's got his website here. So let's check out his website, LifeByMikeG. And he has books here that are for sale. He also has a book here. This one is free, and he uses this one to capture your email address. So this is a lead magnet, what's called a lead magnet. A lead magnet is a freebie that you give away to people in exchange for their email address, so that you have a way to communicate directly with them. This is something critical if you're serious about building a business. So he has this one that's for free in exchange for your email address, and then these other 2 he sells. He also, I noticed on the About page, our platform has partnered with the top brands in the cooking, gardening, and wellness industries. So what that means right there is he's doing sponsorships. He's generating sponsorship revenue, which is something that you have the opportunity to do as well, even with a small channel. I'll explain how to do that later. So in addition to his books, he's got his courses. This kombucha fermenting school, I looked into this. This looks like a really nice course, actually. I'm going to end up taking this when I have time to do it, because making kombucha, like everything that he explains on here about the health benefits of kombucha and how much it costs to buy it at the store versus how much it costs to make it at home, he's speaking my language. Like this, he's got me sold already. I just need the time to do it. And I'm going to sign up for this course. So that's one of his courses that he's making money with, this Conquer the Kitchen course and his sourdough baking school. These are all examples of direct revenue sources that don't depend on YouTube. So YouTube AdSense is one way to make money, and he's making plenty of money through YouTube AdSense revenue, but it takes time to build up AdSense. That's what so many people make the mistake of thinking that, you know, they want to get their YouTube channel monetized and then that's how you make money. That's really not. You're going to make very little money or no money at all for quite some time, even after your channel is monetized. The fastest way, the easiest way to make money from your cooking channel is to create products and services that you can sell directly. So you got to have a website. People can go to, they click the link, they go to your website, and then there's something there for them to purchase. It's also important for you to have the ability to collect their email address. So you now have a way to communicate with people directly. You have your email list is going to be one of the most powerful sales tools in your business. So again, if your goal is to start a cooking channel and grow it into a business, having an email list is something that's really going to be important to you, important to your success. And that's what Mike G is showing you here. You want to have a website that you can send people to, and your email, building your email list can be as simple as having a free cookbook, a free meal planning guide or something like that. Again, back to problem solving. Solve a problem for people and you earn their time. Here he's providing a 15-minute meals guide that's solving a problem for people, so they're willing to provide their email address in exchange for this solution that he's providing. Can't just be making cooking videos. You got to be solving problems for people. There's another revenue opportunity that Mike is not leveraging, but you might want to, and that is a paid membership community. He's got these courses where you learn at your own pace, but with a paid membership community, well, first of all, you pay one time for these courses. With a paid membership community, you get paid on an ongoing basis, and that may be the best revenue strategy for you to get started. And I'll explain that later in the video. So who can leverage this strategy that Mike is implementing? This honestly will work for a pretty broad audience. This will work for chefs. This will work for dietitians. This will even work for food banks that are interested in expanding your food education, because let's look at these numbers again. This meal prep video, 2.6 million views. This one, 723,000 views. This one's 529,000. This one's 718,000. And the important thing to understand is it's not about views, it's about the impact. So speaking specifically to the food banks, if you already have food education as part of your mission, you can leverage a YouTube cooking channel to reach so many more people without consuming more resources. It's actually less effort to run a cooking channel and reach many more people than it is to host in-person workshops. Now, I'm not saying get rid of your in-person workshops. I'm saying you can incorporate YouTube into your education plan and reach many, many, many more people who would never otherwise be able to attend those in-person workshops. For chefs and dietitians who are interested in building a business, a work from home business with a YouTube cooking channel, everything that you're seeing here applies to you as well. You have the opportunity to prepare a dish one time and reach so many more people. So if your mission is to help folks, help with their blood pressure, help them with their blood sugar. We got 38 million type 2 diabetics and 97 million pre-diabetics in the United States. Your YouTube cooking channel can be the solution for those people. And some of those folks will want to become clients of yours. So if you're providing meal plans, you're providing meal prep services, if you're a local chef or caterer and you want to actually cook for people, your YouTube cooking channel is ways that you can reach a huge audience by simply preparing one dish a week. And then that's going to allow you to build a business if that's what your goal is. So here's a $100,000 a year idea for you, because that's a reasonable number, I think, for most people to have as an objective for your cooking channel to be able to give you the freedom that you're looking for, or at least some freedom to make some different decisions in your life. And so let's take a look at what $100,000 a year plan for you can look like. We're going to start with looking at the comments on some of these videos, man. This is not actually going to read the comments, but the number of comments. This is the original meal prepping video, 2,300 comments. This one has 1,000 comments. This one, 693. And these comments are important for a couple of reasons. Number one, if you go through the comments on these videos, and I encourage you to do that, these people are telling you what they're looking for. They're telling you what help they need, and you can use that to inform your content on your cooking channel, help you develop your recipe strategy, your problem solving strategy, so that you know how to make videos that people are interested in, because they're already there telling you. Normally it's hard to do this kind of research and find people and get this information from them. But a shortcut to it is to go to a channel like the one that I just showed you, or go to videos like the ones I just showed you, and then just go through the comments and see what people are saying. What did they like? What did they don't like? What did they not like? What do they need? What are they asking for? You can make videos that address those needs, because Mike G can't make every video. He can't address all those, the wishes that people have. You can fill in those gaps, package your video correctly, title and thumbnail, and it'll get put in front of those same people. And this is how you can quickly build your audience. And all of those people, all of those thousands of people that you see in that comment section, those are people who are participating in a community of sorts in the comment section on Mike G's YouTube channel, where you can create a paid membership community where people can have those same conversations, but in a more safe space than a public forum like YouTube. You can charge $50 a month, for example, which is completely reasonable for a private cooking community where you're teaching people solutions. You're not just sharing recipes, you're providing solutions to real problems in their life. You charge $50 a month for your private membership community, and with just 200 customers, 200 clients, that's $10,000 a month. That's $120,000 a year. There's your six-figure cooking channel. So you don't need 5 million subscribers like Mike G has. You need 200 clients paying you $50 a month, and now you have a $10,000 a month business. This is something that you can absolutely do, and you can start working towards that right away using just your smartphone. And that's what I encourage you to do. So take a look at any of those videos on Mike G's channel, and then take out your phone and try to make your version of it. And then this is just going to be a practice video. So if you're already doing meal prep, great. You're already ahead of the game. Next time, just use your phone and record yourself doing your meal prep, not to publish that video, but to see what it's going to take for you to turn your meal prep process into a video. Because just making your meal prep for yourself and your family, that's one thing. But making a video where you're teaching your process to somebody else, that's something entirely different. And the simplest way for you to do that is just record yourself doing one of your meal prep sessions and just talk through it. Talk the viewer through it. And then that video is just a practice video that you're going to use for yourself to figure out, okay, what do I need to do to turn this process into a video that I can put on YouTube and grow a cooking channel that can actually make me $10,000 a month or more. So this is what I do. This is what I help you do. If you want help getting your cooking channel started, working through your process and getting your videos published, and then building that into a business, the different ways that you can monetize that, this is what I help you with. So check out the link in the description box, and I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.